Good morning, everybody. This is Victor here at CryptoTrendline.com, and it's time again for that daily overview of the cryptocurrency market. What we'll first look into, of course, as always, is the coin market cap with the overall capitalization of 444 billion. This is indeed very good because we're in the middle of reaching the 500 billion mark, which is a big psychological barrier. But I do believe that if things stay like that by the end of the week, we might be at that level because we had a bit of a correction, nothing too big, everything's picking up slightly again. So figures are in the green. Bitcoin currently at $9,383. Ethereum is at 761.50, which is very good indeed, because if you remember, 700 is the key level for Ethereum. We really need to hold that one well above that support at the moment. So this is good. And looking at Litecoin is at $164, which again is very good because we really need to keep above the $150 level for Litecoin. So overall, things are not looking bad at the moment. Everything's pretty much stable and a bit slow. And that being said, this is a result of the news. We were expecting a big announcement on Ethereum because SEC was supposed to come up with an announcement whether Ethereum will be considered a commodity or not. And apparently nothing of this sort happens. They just remain silent, no announcements, no news, no nothing. So market stable at the moment. Prices are good. So moving onwards to the news, because as you know, we have 2 Telegram channels. One's for news, so you just don't forget to join that one to always stay on top of the latest crypto news. And the other one's our paid service for signals that will release signals regarding the price movements of certain coins and ICO analysis. And just this morning, we released a new signal, and it's an amazing one. It has no stop loss because we do believe it's going to just go up, and there is no take profit target. We'll just monitor on it, and depending on the level it reaches, we will advise towards taking profits accordingly. Very promising, huge potential in this signal. Join the group, subscribe through our website, and play that signal because we really do believe it's going to be a huge one. Also, if you want to give us a shout, we also do, we can create your portfolio for you, so you can get in touch with us via our Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TradingView. Just give us a shout and we can work on the portfolio as well. So, what's going on with the news? One of the big ones for today, Warren Buffett calls Bitcoin rat poison squad again. But of course, he's famous for doing things like that and stating bad things about crypto. But to be perfectly honest, this is just it's just FUD. What we believe they're doing, and it's not just him, it's also Bill Gates as well. They're trying to lower the price of Bitcoin further down so they can buy the dip and invest in it, because the next news about Bill Gates, he just said, I'd love to short Bitcoin, but I don't know how to do it. And this is just a lot of bull, because after he posted this, there were plenty of replies from people saying, hey, listen, why don't you use my account, just go to BitMag, or just here, use my profile and you can sell everything. He says that the liquidity is not that not great and that convenient, but that's just, again, a lot of false information and FUD. So I do believe that the big guys are trying to get the prices down to buy another tip, but obviously they cannot do it anymore because the market's quite strong and stable now, and that's the main idea of blockchain. All the currencies that are like decentralized, and they cannot do that much to manipulate the price. They're trying, they're doing it. The last correction that we had probably is a result of the big guys trying to come up with something, but as you can see, that never lasted. Prices are going up again, and this is very good. So this is regarding the news. That just comes to show you, don't trust everything mainstream media tells you. Duh. And also, of course, don't trust everything you read on the internet, because not everything on the internet is true, as shocking as this might be. So the best thing to do would be obviously to follow us Join our groups. We will always advise you with the latest news and accurate information. What we also usually do is looking at charts. So our technical analysis team has provided us with the Bitcoin chart, of course. What we're currently looking at the moment, we might have a correction pulling back to levels at, what's that level? Let me just check it out. Right, so it's 8,900. Just under that 9,000 range, but that's if we go down, and because currently we're at 9,500, you know, major support. It's 9,324 at the moment, and it's a really make or break, because if we push through this price, next resistance we're facing is about $11,395. So 1,100, sorry. So this is pretty much what Bitcoin might do. The support in the worst case scenario, if we fall below the support that we said is 8,900, we might go further down. Next support is $7,800, but I really don't think this would happen. Obviously, things are looking better now, and Bitcoin is supposed to go up. So the next resistance we're facing is 1,140. 491, so 11491. Sorry, just to get this out of the system. Oh, not friendly with numbers today. Next chart we're looking at Ethereum. Ethereum kind of like the same, you know, it's a bit more bullish than Bitcoin. We got rejected from the 850 level, so currently pulling back. The pullback might reach as low as $700 or $704, and then we'll go up again and test the resistance of 850. And if we push through that, next thing we're looking at is 1K, the 1K mark that we're all looking forward to and wishing this could happen. And I do believe it will. It's just because, you know, ICOs are up again. You know, it's crazy. New projects are releasing. Everyone that was holding throughout the price fall for the past month, now that they're going out in the open saying, okay, the project's here, prices are stable, let's do some ICOs. So Ethereum prices should go up. And furthermore, if there's no opinion coming from SEC, how will they treat it? I mean, if things just stay as they are, Ethereum is looking quite healthy and very promising. Last, we'll look into VeChain, because the guys from the technical analysis department believe that there's a really nice potential regarding VeChain. Currently, what they expect to happen is for VeChain to pull back and test the 0.0050 Satoshi's levels, use them as support, and then shoot up to 0.006 Satoshis, which is very good, and it's a really nice movement in terms of profit. We will monitor the events. We'll see how the charts move, and we will advise you accordingly. Probably will release a signal. So once again, join our signals channel in order to make profit, because the profits up to this point are amazing. Every single signal that we released, the lowest profit we generated on a signal was 25%, and the largest one was like 130%, and that was just last week. So join the channel, you won't be sorry. Plus the subscription fee is not that high at all. I mean, at this point, it's just something that'll keep us going and supplying you with more signals. You can probably earn the subscription plus a nice profit from just one signal that you play. So go ahead and join that one. That being said, I think this is up for today. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, enjoy life, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers and bye-bye.